Welcome everyone. Today's fear and greed is showing 11 out of 100 or extreme fear in the market. The top news for this Friday include Deutsche Bank analysts see Bitcoin recovering to $28,000 by December. Deutsche Bank analysts forecast a 30% recovery for Bitcoin by December driven by correlation to S&P 500. A report from Deutsche Bank analysts Marian Labur and Galina Pozniakova provides an interesting perspective on the medium-term outlook for BTC. Their insights suggest that cryptocurrency markets have mirrored movements of the Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500 since late 2021. The pair believe that the S&P will rebound to its January levels and that Bitcoin's correlation to the index could result in a 30% increase in value from current levels midway through 2022. Coinbase denies reports of selling customer data to the U.S. government. Coinbase clarified that the crypto exchange was not selling its users' data and highlighted that it only provides information for investigations of financial crimes. On Thursday, news that Coinbase has been providing geolocation data to ICE has circulated online. Because of this, Twitter users like Vaneck were shocked and noted that they didn't sign up for that. NFTs to appear on Facebook, cross-post with Instagram as Meta Web3 expansion continues. Non-fungible tokens will be found under a tab on creators' Facebook timelines in a gradual rollout starting in the United States. Facebook will support NFTs with a digital collectibles tab on creators' timelines to display their work. Meta Technical Program Manager Navdeep Singh displayed screenshots of NFTs in a creator's page Thursday on Twitter. Eventually, NFT creators will be able to cross-post between Facebook and Instagram, another Meta property. Instagram is also testing NFTs in its Spark AR augmented reality platform. Many crypto traders are about to get torched and completely misjudge the market, warns top analyst. A top crypto analyst warns that many traders are about to pay heavily for misreading the current market meltdown. Quote, "Many traders who nailed the last bottom are going to get torched trying to time this one in my opinion. Market dynamics of 2018 vs 2022 for risk assets are vastly different, equities correlation, QT, inflation. Using the same tools to time this bottom as the last will likely not work. The trader says big players imploding is no longer a bottom signal like it was last time. The last bottom was marked by a few big names getting wiped, but equities was still in a bull market. It's not a bottom signal anymore when a big player gets wiped out. We're in a macro bear market now, bottoms form on good news not bad news." Finally, Vonneck files for spot Bitcoin ETF despite grayscale rejection. Investment firm Vonneck has filed an application for a spot Bitcoin ETF with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, despite Grayscale's application getting rejected on Tuesday. Vonneck had filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF, but was rejected by the SEC in November 2021. The SEC has cited concerns about market manipulation and investor protection in turning down all spot Bitcoin ETF applications to date. The regulator has approved Bitcoin ETFs based on futures contracts and derivatives. The precedent makes clear that an underlying market for a spot commodity or currency being a regulated market would be an exception to the norm, the filing said. And that is all for today's news. Share your opinions in the comments below and drop a like. Check the links in the description for more details. See you tomorrow.